Okay, so today we're going to be sealing the underside of the camper. As you can see, I've done the lights and stuff. I'm going to do a quick overview. You'll probably see it before this episode, but if you don't, you'll see it soon. So the camper is like 90% done. So what I need to do now is I'm going to put on the Henry's Asphalt Motion Sealer and Damp Proofer. This is just going to go straight in the wood. I'm going to open this and see what the consistency is. So let's see, because I grabbed the wrong one before, because I have another Henry's bottle, and I thought that was the one I was using, but that was the wrong one. So let's see what this one looks like. I'm just going to go at it. If this stuff's thin enough, I will use a roller. If it's not, I got junk brushes, Harbor Freight paint brushes. They fall apart and everything, but they're good for stuff that you don't care about. Like, this stuff is interesting. I'm going to mix it up and see what the consistency is. I'm assuming this should go in there. Mix it up real good. So, this stuff, I might move my phone. If I get it on this thing, I don't care. Stuff looks pretty thin, and it doesn't have a thick bottom like the other one, so we might actually be able to roll this on. I got that. That's gonna be garbage after this. Yeah, this stuff is awesome. Look at that. It's like pudding. Alright, so let me grab a roller and see how that works. And at the end, I'm probably just going to put this on a quick thing so you can see what I'm doing. I'll probably only show you one spot. It's going to be the same throughout. I'm just coating it down real good. You really should do this before you put the wood on the trailer. This was my own laziness once again. So if I were you and you were building this, I would coat the whole bottom piece first, let it dry, and then put it on the frame. So, yeah. But I'm going to go see if this stuff will roll with a roller. And if it does, I'm going to use the roller instead of the paintbrush. So the roller works. So I'm going to try to attempt that. I'm probably going to have to use a paintbrush to do the edges. So let's see how this goes. to do this, I used 2/3 of a can. There's about a third left. Went easy. Took a little while. Got the world's messiest. I would recommend wearing clothes that you're going to throw away, as you notice. I have a haircut now. Threw away the clothes I was wearing because they were disgusting. You get a lot of this everywhere. You can see some drops down there. Yeah, so this was probably the grossest job of all, and it would have been 10 times easier if I did it before I did the camper, but I don't know if I posted it, but when I did this box, the bottom is all cracked, so I put a piece of wood on the bottom, so I sealed all that as well. So anyway, you can see all of it all over the place. Yeah, so that's about it. So this stuff, I'm not sponsored or anything by them, but it really does work pretty well. I think it'll last a while too. So, see you in the next one.